Webull Stock sell-off might be coming to an end, and let me tell you where I'm going to be buying. But before we do that, let's go ahead and break this down. So our high on the day is 1366 and our low is 1276. We are down 1.03%, and that's on top of the Friday's loss, which we lost a pretty good amount, around 7% or something. So that's 2 red days in a row. Tomorrow, though, we have a report coming out at 10 a.m. Eastern time, and that's the job openings. That could affect the volatility. If the report comes out really bad, we could see a little bit of a sell-off before we stabilize, or if it's good, that could help boost it to go up. So make sure you watch out for that at 10 a.m. Eastern time. But let's go ahead and jump in the fundamentals. First of all, on the 4-hour RSI, we reached that extreme oversold point when we reached that 1276. And it got bought up really, really quickly. Look at this candle. It didn't even have time to close before we made our way all the way back here. So that's a really, really good sign. And also towards the end of the day, we started climbing. And when the market closed, we didn't even really want to pull back. That's another good sign right there. As of right now, we are officially not confirmed, so it is a little bit riskier to buy right now because this sell-off pattern is not fully broken. In order for us to break this pattern, we have to break this high, which is a price of 1366. If we go over that, then this pattern will be broken, and every time we sell off after that, you'll see how fast people are going to be buying it up. So that's something to watch out for. Make sure watch that 1366 price. But since we did not break this yet, I have to be ultra safe and watch what price we open up. The way I'm looking at it is we are still downtrending until this is broken. We are still downtrending, and if I want to get in, I need it to break this support here. I don't necessarily think that's going to happen due to how fast we got bought up here. So tomorrow, I'm going to open a position somewhere in the middle. I'm not going to wait for us to break. I think that's too much of a reach. I mean, it is possible, but I don't necessarily think so. I'll open a position once we get a small pullback. I'm not going to wait for this oversold zone right here to buy, even though that would be the safer bet. But we'll see how this goes. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll update you guys every single day on this stock. Make sure you give me a follow.